adhula mar MOFA ne wuok chien kendo loyo timbe adhula mar Gucha Stars gonde 3-2 kuom ka Gucha ne kuongo loyo dakika momondo kendo keto liet kuom MOFA mane gin wele pap Magusi Stadium. MOFA ne wuok chien kendo loyo gonde 3 katuguru mar 3-2. MOFA ne oloyo dakika mogik kendo medo thuolo margi madonje timbe mabeyo mageto tugo lig maduong' ma pacho ka season manyien.
We conceded a very early goal, and we had really planned. We knew how Gucha will approach the game. The preparations are there. We didn't deal with this cross ball, and then there in the 5th minute, we cannot afford to let this happen moving forward. So I'm not happy about that. I stressed that area in the dressing room. Mental strength is something that is very, very important. You really need to be mentally fit, strong, ready to go on until the last minute, and that is something that we have been building as a group. And I'm happy that we did manage to stay alert until the last minute. We kept on pushing, encouraging, and it was good.